Are you ready to supercharge your resume and boost your career in 2024? In today's video, we are diving into the top 10 certifications you must add to your resume this year to stand out and get noticed. Stick around to the end for a bonus tip that could be a game changer you've been looking for. Studies have shown that earning a professional certificate can significantly increase your chances of being hired and even boost your salary. According to 2023 CertMag survey, 64% of U.S. respondents and around 40% of non-U.S. respondents reported getting a raise within the first year of achieving their IT certification. These raises range from 3% to 20%. So whether you are just starting out, making a career pivot, or aiming for the next big promotion, getting certified is a must-do for 2024. Let's jump right into the list of the most essential and in-demand certificates you should add to your resume. CPR certification. CPR, or cardiopulmonary resuscitation, is a life-saving, valuable skill across many professions. From healthcare to teaching, this certification is a standout on any resume. Offered by organizations like American Red Cross, it typically takes a few hours to complete and can be done in both person and online. Plus, it shows employers that you are proactive and care about the safety of others. PMP certification, Project Management Professional, PMP, is a gold standard for project managers. If you're aiming for a leadership role, this certification from the Project Management Institution is crucial. The exam requires 35 hours of project management education and a few thousand hours of experience, making it a significant but rewarding investment in your career. AWS certification, Amazon Web Service certification are essential for IT professionals. They offer various role-based pathways such as solution architect, developer, and cissp administrators. AWS certifications are known for their rigor and relevance, helping you stand out in the competitive tech industry. Exams are available through Pearson VUE, and the cost between $100 and $300. Google certification. Google offers certificates in data analysis, digital marketing, project management, and IT support through platforms like Coursera. These certificates are designed for both beginners and professionals looking to upskill. For example, the Google Data Analysis certification takes about 6 months to complete and covers essential skills like data visualization, SQL, and R programming. Cybersecurity certification. With remote work on the rise, cybersecurity skills are in high demand. Certifications from providers like CompTIA, ISC2, and EC Council are highly valued. For instance, the cissp certification requires at least 5 years of work experience in 2 or more of the 8 domains of cybersecurity. It's a challenging certification that can significantly boost your career. Six Sigma certification. Six Sigma is vital for project management, quality management, and many other careers. It's imperative in the industry like manufacturing and healthcare. There are different levels from yellow belt to black belt, each indicating a deeper level of expertise. Six Sigma certification can be obtained through organizations like ASQ and AISSC. CISSP certification, the Certification Information System Security Professional. It is an advanced certification for experienced professionals aiming to deepen their cybersecurity expertise. Candidates must have at least 5 years of experience and pass a rigorous exam covering 8 domains of information security. This certification is highly regarded and can be open door to senior level position. ITIL certification focuses on IT service management and improving customer experience. It's a must-have for IT professionals seeking to enhance service quality. The certification is offered in several levels, from foundation to master, and can be obtained from providers like Excelos and SkillLogic. ITIL is particularly valuable for those in IT service management roles. Microsoft certification. Microsoft offers certifications tailored to various roles, from Power BI to Azure. These certifications help professionals demonstrate their expertise in Microsoft technologies. For instance, the Microsoft Azure Fundamental Certification is a great entry point for those new to cloud computing. Certifications are available through the Microsoft Learn platform. Priced between $99 to $165. Salesforce certification. Salesforce certifications are vital for roles in organizations that use CRM software extensively. From Salesforce administrator to Salesforce platform developer, every role has a certification. These certifications validate your skills in managing and developing Salesforce applications. The exams administered by Salesforce typically cost about $200 each. Remember, choosing the proper certification should align with your career goals. Each certificate you pursue should complement your long-term vision and make you a more attractive candidate to employers. And now here's to the bonus tip we promised. Always stay updated with the latest trends and demands in your industry. Continuous learning is the key to maintaining a competitive edge in today's fast-paced job market. There you have it, the top 10 certification to put on your resume. Which certification are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career boosting tips. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success. Invest in yourself today and watch your career soar tomorrow. See you in the next video.